In order to apply wallpaper effect and frame on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we need to find wallpaper and style. Then over here, we're gonna tap on the lock screen or home screen, depending where you want to apply the effect. And if it's possible to apply the effect in frame, then you should be able to find this option over here at the bottom. So we can go to the frame, and now as you can see, we have a couple of different frames that we can use. So you can choose your favorite one. You can also go to color in order to pick a different color for the frame. You can also tap on the square one in order to set up a color by itself, something like that. And for the effect, of course, we can go over here and we can slide to the left and to the right in order to apply one of these effects. And there we go. We should also be able to find a similar option on the home screen. So you should be able to find the frame option and the color over here as well as the effect. And of course, if you want to change the frame, actually if you want to turn it off, then of course we need to select the first option. Tap on done in the upper right corner to save your changes. Leave a like and subscribe.